channel. So today is another makeup tutorial and I am hugely inspired by Katrina Kaif in Nach Dene Sare song. Like, it is such a bubbly song and she looks so cute and she's jumping around here and then. I just love her in that video. I just fell in love with her. I'm not a Katrina Kaif fan at all, but that song is such a fun wedding song. It is such a colorful and fun song, and the look that she is wearing in that song is perfect for wedding season ahead. So yeah, I thought of recreating that look with my personal touch. It's not exactly the same, but yeah, it's inspired from Katrina Kaif look in Nach De Sare, and I tried to create kind of same look. But yeah, let me know if it's exactly the same or not. I have not straightened my hair as Katrina Kaif's hair is in the song because it's a rainy season and I do not treat my hair with any heat equipment. So yeah, hair are in their natural shape. You can go ahead and completely straighten your hair, but I would suggest not to do so because they tend to break a lot during rainy season. So yes, embrace your natural hair. Put on your makeup and just rock it on dance floor. If you like this look, then please keep on watching.
So starting with the base, first of all I'm moisturizing my face using Fab India moisturizer, and then I'm using the L'Oreal primer all over my face, and now I'm using my True Match foundation. I would be listing all the products in the description bar below. All of them are repetitive products, so I'm not including any of their screenshots because they are same. I have been using them in all the makeup tutorials. So yes, what I'm doing here is I'm just dotting the foundation all over my face and blending along with it. And I have layered this foundation because I need a full coverage. So I basically start with little foundation at a time so that it is easily blendable, and then I layer it up. And now I'm using my trusted Maybelline Fit Me concealer. It's the best concealer that I own, and I'm drawing a triangle under my eye, and I'm also concealing all the parts wherever there is any darkness or spots or something like that. So it basically conceals and brightens the under eye area, so that is the reason I place it in a V manner. So I'm just blending it all over my face and my eye area and everything like that. Now I'm using my compact, that is again the True Match compact, and setting my concealer and dabbing it all over my face, just a little bit, not too much, because the face that Katrina have in this video is a little glossy, not completely matte, and that is the reason I'm using my illuminator all over the face so that I can get that nice sheen on my face and it doesn't look really matte. Can you see that nice sheen all over my face that this illuminator has added? Moving on, now I'm using my makeup base from Inglot, the eye makeup base from Inglot, and I'm placing all over my lid area so as to hide any veins or redness. And now I'm using my Makeup Revolution palette to do my eyebrows. Katrina has intensely filled eyebrows in the videos, so you can do a little bit more if you want, but this is how I like it. Now I'm using the Miss Claire eyeshadow in a light pink shade. I would be mentioning the shade in the description bar below. So I'm just placing the eyeshadow all over my lid area and then blending it using the blending brush, which has a light matte brown shade over it. So now I'm using the Maybelline Kajal to line my lash line as well as blending it off using a brush. And I would be placing a little bit Kajal on my waterline, that is the outer parts of my waterline as well, and blending it off inwards. Now you will see that I have done it a little too much, which makes my eyes look really black and intense, and that is not the look that Katrina is putting in the video. So I am going with little bit of concealer under my eye so that I can just remove any excess kajal that I had, and also I would be using a little bit of pink eyeshadow on a brush and placing it over the kajal so that it it gets a little lighter, like intenseness of that black kajal would go. So yeah, now I look happy with it. And now moving on, I'm using this blusher from Sivana. This did not show up much on video, like on camera, but it gave a really nice pink sheen on my face. And now again I'm using my trusted Maybelline 14 hour lipstick. Again, the shade will be in the description bar below because I just do not remember it. And now ending off this look with this bindi, which is the highlight of the show. So yeah, I'm done. I really hope you like this look, and if you do, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Bye bye, see ya, take care.